Hi, I am Elisa Tafoya, and I would like to share 3 of my favorite community building tools. The first one is from Google. I like Google because it offers one account access to all of its applications, such as Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive. Google Drive is my most favorite tool to use from Google, and it's a wonderful community building tool. It allows several different options to create a document, a presentation, a spreadsheet, or a form, and allows a user to easily share it with another. Once a document is created, such as this, the user can go ahead and share the document with several others. And it can allow users to edit or just view the document via a link, a direct link, or it can be open for public viewing as well. There's all these different options in Google Doc that a person can use, which makes it easy for the end user to be able to use it. One specific reason that I like this tool to help foster online learning is because of the collaboration feature. It makes meeting or getting together easy and convenient. Changes are made instantly, and other members can easily see what is being done as it happens. Collaboration is also is easy with Google Docs by using this share option like I mentioned earlier. One of the features that I recently have come across, and one that one of my classmates has shared, was having students be able to use a Google Doc and leave a comment. As long as settings are shared for comments, that would be an option for students to be able to do. Additionally, students are able to alter the document or perhaps just even highlight information that they see as viable, and maybe choose to highlight that area and make a comment on it off to the side, indicating that that is referring to their thoughts. There are several other options, such as this final exam that I recently made up for one of my classes. It's an option that for educators, or really anybody, you could use it for a survey as well, to go ahead and input data and have it turn out a beautiful form such as this. So there are several options in Google Drive that allow a community of learners to get together and use several tools for building and creating. Next is Skype. I like Skype for community building for a couple of different reasons. As a matter of fact, I use Skype in my group alongside Google Docs. We used it synchronously together, and it worked beautifully. So as we were typing over here on a Google Doc, we were also live via Skype. I like Skype because it is readily available on all computers, iOS devices and Android devices, and most mobile devices, and it's also free. So Skype can be very user-friendly for the most part, and it has several different options, such as screen sharing, which is a wonderful feature when you're trying to demonstrate things and share and collaborate with others, and that way they get the same picture that you do. There's also text messaging, which was wonderful in our class because we had 2 users that did not have microphones, and so they had to use the texting option. The other 2 had microphones, and it allowed the entire group to be able to hear one another. So it allowed that versatility with live video feed and texting options to still collaborate as usual. Also, with Skype, it allows several users at one time to get on, and I believe it allows up to 10 friends to get on and collaborate and chat and talk. So this is an excellent online feature for students to use. If people are not very keen on using Skype, there is an alternative such as Google Hangouts. Again, it is part of the Google family, and it's an option, a video option and a chat option to be able to collaborate with others, very similar to Skype. And so there's numerous features that can be tapped into with this. The third community building tool that I'd like to share is Twitter. Twitter I like because there are amazing pieces of information that trend online all around the world and in just moments. This is a cool tool to use for online learning because it has the ability to send out quick messages, and it engages learners and allows others to follow and leave comments or even share information. So not only do people get to know additional things or maybe about one another, it's just a way of sharing information. And with Twitter, as an activity, as an introductory activity, I thought it would be nice to use Twitter as an activity for people to find, let's say, 5 new things to follow, and then to tweet or retweet 5 different posts, and having classmates make comments on them and having interaction. And this is community building and getting people introduced to one another and introduced to their likes and their causes that they are going for in life. And so Twitter is not always a collaboration tool like Google Docs or Skype, but it is more of a community building tool in which people can follow one another and easily express themselves without having to feel threatened to speak, because Twitter allows text messages and pictures that can be uploaded. So overall, with all of these tools between Google Docs, Skype, and Twitter, these 3 tools combined are wonderful community building tools and can easily be applied in classes by students and teachers. And with all these tools collaboratively together, it builds a good personal learning network of friends and networks and resources. So combining all these tools together is a wonderful idea for online learners, and my 3 favorite community building tools. This is Elisa Tafoya. Thanks for listening.